Hey guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. We are listing a 2019, that's right, 2019 16 Super Sport. Just got in today. This boat has a bimini top, has the folding seats with backrest, scrolling around, swim boarding ladder, 90 horsepower Mercury. Paint still on the skag down there, coming through. Permanently mounted fuel tank. Shot back towards the back, turning up close to the seats. Spinning around, you got your helm. Nice size Garmin GPS sounder. Moving forward, you got some storage up there in the bow area, anchor. This boat is equipped on a trailer. Does have torsion axles, no springs there, swing away tongue, and the trailer tongue jack. Do one more walk around, try to get a little better profile photos, profile video for you guys. Again, transom looking onto the boat. Guys, this is a really nice, clean, lightly used 2019 16 Sport. Call us today, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks.